In this video, let's talk about what kind of the wheel spacers are best for your BMW G30. Let's go. With a wide range of BMW G30 wheel spacers on the market, choosing high-quality wheel spacers and selecting the right thickness becomes an important issue. You need safe BMW wheel spacers to fit your G30 and ensure they work even in high-speed driving and complex road conditions. You must choose the right BMW G30 wheel spacers. BMW G30 wheel spacers are available in two types, one with half century and one without half century. Wheel spacers with half century are best suited to your BMW G30. Half-century BMW G30 wheel spacers can eliminate the possibility of shaking, caused by a wheel position that is not centered with the brake rotor. Professional wheel spacers manufacturers and auto parts reviewers prefer half-century BMW G30 wheel spacers over like-century wheel spacers. If the BMW G30 aftermarket wheels have a century hole diameter larger than the diameter of the hub assembly neck, you will need to fit them with half-century rings or wheel adapters. Installing the half-century BMW wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS wheel spacers have a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.